Nowadays, the world is affected by environmental issues which are the consequence of human action and lead to a negative environmental damage. The earth is under a spell in the same way that the human overheat in the scorching sun. The earth was under identical condition, and in today's worsened environment, global warming is a major concern. Many influencing variables in the society are currently putting the earth under pressure. And because of the man-made environmental issue, there are various factors that contribute to global warming which have a severe consequence for all living things. And it's critical to comprehend the harmful effects of the global warming. And in order to address the challenges, we must address this environmental issue and stop by thinking of a solution. And we are the student from the College of Engineering, and we are here to advocate all of you to unite and stop the environmental issue, which is the global warming.
If global warming continues, it will have a huge impact on society. The first one is the increase of the temperature that it caused due to an increase in the number of holes in the ozone layer of the atmosphere. We all know that ozone layer resists the harmful ultraviolet rays from entering the surface of the earth, which is firstly very harmful to our eyes, and secondly can cause skin cancer if one is exposed to it for prolonged periods. The increased temperature could also increase the cases of heat stroke, as it would then evaporate more water at a faster rate, and keeping one hydrated would become more of a task. It can cause melting ice caps in the poles, which cause havoc across the globe, and lastly, it can also affect the animals and plants.
We need to stop our behaviors that leads to the global warming that is caused by us. We need to address the environmental challenges to save our world and also for the next generation.
As you know, global warming is the process of raising the average temperature of the Earth, and it's also the process of warming the Earth. Gaining knowledge can help us to understand or recognize information, particularly global warming. It will allow us to split some information and leave more space in our working memory to address the impact of global warming. Assuming that at the end of the 21st century, this can cause an increase the average temperature of the Earth that will probably affect us. But people use knowledge to create things that can benefit them.
It is important to have the necessary information about global warming. So, in order to avoid disasters we can envision, we need to be properly informed and have foresight about them.
We have only few years to reunite and recover the wrongdoings that we did to our Mother Earth. In today's news, scientists warn us that we have only 3 to 5 years to live and to save the planet, and we need to listen to them before it's too late. We should not ignore such instances and should look and focus on what is happening in Philippines today. As for example, it is supposed to be our summer, yet we are experiencing natural disaster such as typhoons, which cause a great deal of destruction. Therefore, we can encourage everyone to conserve water, reduce waste, preserve energy, increase of bicycle use, turn off appliances, and especially plant more trees. We can also support local businesses that use or promote sustainable climate practices. And we can conserve energy by better consulting our homes and buildings, and by replacing old, failing appliances with more energy efficient models. By gaining and understanding what we should do, we can end this environmental issue and help our Earth to breathe again.
Let us work together to save our planet, our Mother Earth. Let our voices be heard and make actions that will contribute to the planet's survival. Because it's our responsibility to start taking actions.
In order to save our planet, by the little, we can start making difference. Little by little, by recycling, by teaching young generation about taking care about our beautiful earth. We're just here for one time, and this is a time that we have to start taking care of it. We need to take action. We need to know the significance of our nature. And lastly, we need to save the earth, especially in the environmental issue, particularly the global warming that are caused by us.
Our Mother Earth needs to be saved, as our survival depends completely on this planet. It is our responsibility to raise awareness about saving our Mother Earth. Earth provides every resource for sustaining living things and inanimate things. Let's reunite and save it not only for us, but also for the next generation and for their future. Let Earth breathe.